claim settlement in case of AID banks. ABC Bank has been placed under All-Inclusive Directions or AID by Reserve Bank of India (RBI). Depositors can now withdraw only rupees 1,000 from their account. What does All-Inclusive Directions or AID mean? Has my bank's license been cancelled? What will happen to my deposits? What does it mean when a bank is under AID? In certain cases, the Reserve Bank of India imposes restrictions, all-inclusive directions on banks to secure their proper management. In such cases, the depositors of the bank may be restricted from accessing their deposits. It is important to note that RBI has not cancelled the bank's license in this case. How can you claim your deposits? Let us look at the process of claim settlement in case of AID banks. The RBI imposes All-Inclusive Directions or AID under Section 35A of Banking Regulation Act 1949 and advises banks placed under AID of the restrictions imposed on deposit or withdrawals with an endorsement to the DICGC, where the bank is registered as insured bank for deposit insurance. DICGC issues guidelines to the concerned bank placed under AID for preparation of a comprehensive depositors list in the prescribed form and manner with the outstanding deposits of each depositor in the same capacity and in the same right after setting off all loans and advances as on the date on which the direction was imposed. In terms of Section 18A of the DICGC Act, banks placed under AID are required to furnish to the corporation the entire depositor list within 45 days of imposition of AID on the bank. The list should be bifurcated into two parts. Part A list, that is, the list of depositors whose claim willingness forms and KYC documents have been received till the 45th day, and Part B list, that is, the list of depositors whose claim willingness forms have not been received by the 45th day. The claims for which willingness forms have been received within the stipulated period are considered for payment on the 90th day. The claims for which the willingness is received after the designated timeline shall be settled subsequently after the 90th day, subject to the names of such depositors being part of the list furnished by the bank by the 45th day and the bank continuing to be under AID at the time of receipt of such claims. An SMS is sent to depositors informing them that their claim has been received from the bank. The verification of claim list, including compliance with KYC and books of accounts of the AID bank, is conducted by the Chartered Accountant or CA firms impaneled with the corporation. The CA firm is required to carry out on-site verification of claims as per the guidelines issued by the DICGC and statutory provisions. The CAs furnish their observations and findings on the claim list and any such record of the bank incidental to settlement of deposit insurance claim. On receipt of the CA report, the claim is processed by the DICGC and a to-be-paid list is arrived at for payment of eligible claims to depositors who have expressed their willingness. The DICGC then shares the to-be-paid list with the bank under AID with advice to furnish details of alternate accounts of depositors for disbursement of claims through an agency bank. An SMS is sent to depositors informing them that their claim has been sanctioned by DICGC. The bank placed under AID then shares the to-be-paid list with alternate bank account details of the depositors to the agency bank under advice to the DICGC. The claims are then disbursed by the agency bank to the depositors as per the to-be-paid list and mandate furnished by the bank under AID. Depositors can track their claims on DICGC's Claim Status Tracker Dawa Suchak, available on the DICGC website. For more information or any queries, you can write to us at dicgc@rbi.org.in.
Any complaints related to settlement of claims can also be sent to dicgc.complaints@rbi.org.in.